Hi guys, it's me, Jackee Love, and I am cooking with love right now. I got potatoes, cilantro, carrots, bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, zucchini, and rotisserie chicken. Minced garlic, 2 cans of green beans, 2 cans of corn, zucchini, and these delicious hot peppers. So stay tuned guys, this is Cooking with Love, and I am making chicken stew. Now I am putting into my rotisserie chicken batter potatoes chopped up, bell peppers, canned green beans, 1 can, dry peppers, baby carrots, zucchini, mushrooms, cilantro, 1 can of corn, white corn, and to top it off, 2 brown onions. Okay, now so I put in 4 heaping helpings of my favorite seasoning, which is Knorr chicken flavor bouillon powder. It goes good with even beef and fish. And I put 4 already, and I'm going to go ahead and put in 2 more because I don't want it to be 2. And that wasn't really heaping helping, but I am so funny with my salt because everybody's taste buds are different, and I don't want it being too salty. So I'm using this regular purified water. I never use regular water here. The water is a well water, but I always use regular purified water, and I'm going to be switching to alkaline water soon because it is way better for you. And that way I can I put 2 bottles are in already, and I'm putting like a half more just so that it can taste really fresh. I didn't choose to use the water from the cans, and I put 1 creamy tomato sipping soup from Campbell's in here. Now let's see how it tastes. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the fire right now on my Tiny Kemper Trailer propane stove. I feel like Hank Hill from King of the Hill. And so anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here. Everything is already done. I got the rotisserie chicken that was freshly made from food for less, and all the vegetables and all the seasonings all mixed up into this one big skillet that I have. Now I'm going to put the top on here and let it simmer for about 20 or 30 minutes while I stir it incrementally, and then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna let you see how I enjoy this beautiful comfort food, which I call chicken stew. My kids love it. My son Juan Draper, my daughter Nadia Mason, and even Olivia Dunn, my stepdaughter. We all love this, and this is a tradition in my family. They even try to do it themselves, my kids, but they can't match it, but it's okay. They try, and that is such an honor. So stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how I eat it with rice, because I love to use jasmine rice because it is gluten-free, and all these things are healthy. And this is something I do because I want to cook so fast because I have ADHD, and so I always want to cook something that's fast, that's going to last in my family life, and it's really healthy, has all the good vegetables. And sometimes I even add celery, but I didn't do that this time. So stay tuned, and I'm going to show you me enjoying my food, my comfort food, my recipe that I made that my kids and my family enjoy. The rendition of my chicken stew instead of pork stew or beef stew. Yum, I can't wait till the finished product is done. I'm hungry, guys. Let's time it 20 minutes from now. I'll see you in 20 minutes, guys.
20 minutes later.
I just added some broccoli florets and some more pollo sauce. It is done, and I'm gonna pour this over rice, and it's gonna be so delicious. Dang, y'all, this shit turned out good. Oh my goodness, the jasmine rice, the vegetables, the chicken, everything, and it's like the perfect quick 35-minute meal that you can make. Everything is delicious, y'all. Oh, it's so good to eat, even if you need to eat soft foods right now due to your dinner work. So, guys, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for allowing me to share this with y'all. It is so good. So, try it for yourself. I'll leave all the ingredients in the description box. So, thanks for watching, y'all. Leave a heart, share this video, and comment below if you want me to do more videos. For more information, please visit my website at ReikiEnergyHealingWithLove.com. I am Jackee Love.